That was my alarm. I was supposed to wake up right now. See, I actually didn't believe J-Rod was gonna make it on time, so I was like, you know what? I'll just set my alarm for 7 a.m. But then I set one for 6:15, and I was like, I should make sure that J-Rod is actually gonna make it. So
only been late once though. Only once.
He's only been late once. Oh man, it's a beautiful morning, guys, to be selling Silicon Valley. Wow. Lots of things to do today, but I am going to show you, not tell you. Stay tuned. Another action-packed morning. Lots of team activities today. We're checking out the new space. We just moved to EXP, and we got a lot of things that we have to do on that front. It's just never ending. We just put a new listing up yesterday. It's a lot of work when you're building the #1 real estate team in Silicon Valley. Dude, the listing video like literally came out perfect, bro.
Thank you.
Dude,
Thank you.
this guy is nailing it. I don't even need to give him revisions anymore. He knows what I want. He knows it. That's when we're in sync, you know? So typically, well, by typically, I mean the one day that I've been going to this new office, I walk there. It's about a 30 to 35 minute walk. I'm not gonna make J-Rod take his 40-pound gorilla pack that he has on the back of his, carrying all of that equipment all the way over there. Although it would be good is if I did that, because then it'd give me, you know, I'd have some exercise. But no, honestly, but we're gonna take the dusty old Batmobile out there, and then, yeah, guys. Why am I walking? Well, I'm walking because I'm trying to lose some pounds. It's not working. You know, it's that 30-year-old, it's my 30-year-old body. It's betraying me. It finds new and novel ways of betraying me. I used to be able to shed some pounds and be like, yeah, no problem. But like now I actually have to work at it. I'm not at the point where like it works contrary to what I want it to. Like if I'm trying to lose weight and I actually do the things that I'm supposed to do, then I will lose weight. So I'm not at like the point where like I eat less calories and then gain more weight. That's ultimate betrayal. That's like 50 status. But I'm a little ways away from there. But let's go.
I am the CEO of the #1 real estate team in America. I am 12%
body fat or less
by May
2021. Guys, just got in a little bit of work this morning, and now we have our daily Mojo calls. So every morning we have a team huddle at the beginning of the day, 8:45. Well, my day gets started at like 6:45, but everyone else on the team, their day gets started around this time. And so we hop on, we have a different theme every single morning, and it's about getting your head in the game. I've found that it has dramatically improved our performance together as a team by having everyone hop on in the morning, and whatever the theme is for that day, really figuring out what it is that we're gonna do today to get one step closer to our goals. Because listen, we're gonna sell 75 homes this year. We're at about 30 something now pending and sold. I don't know what the number is, but we're sitting here middle of May. We're on track, and the reason that we're on track is we're doing the little things every single day, the little things right. You get the little things right, and then the big things come into place. What's up, guys? We're on the vlog right now. This is meta right here. This is meta. We got the vlog and the vlog. You know what I'm saying? Guys, it's 10 a.m. and typically at 10 a.m. on Thursdays from 10 to noon, we do about 20-minute sales huddles with each individual agent that's on the team. To me, this is one of the most important activities of the week as the team lead, being able to go into their different accounts and seeing, you know, what's been done this last week to get them closer to their goals, and holding them accountable to what they're saying they're going to do is very important. It also allows us to have open conversations about what they're doing well, what needs improvement, and each individual huddle is geared towards that agent's needs. No two conversations are really the same. I have found that these huddles in and of themselves really help change the dynamic of their week, because now their whole focus is like, making sure that on Thursday they've got their shit together, right? So there's nothing like just that extra layer of accountability to make sure, okay, at least like by Thursday they know like they need to have all their numbers in and everything dialed in for that week, so that we can make adjustments if necessary on what they've been doing to like set them up for success like the next week, the next month, the next 6 months, the next quarter, the next year. So fun stuff. We'll see if any of them actually decide to come out and check out this beautiful new little space that we got going on. So far so good. What do you think of the new space, J-Rod?
I like it. It's big.
Yeah, it's nice, right? It's nice. Nice and open. Aiden, say what's up to the vlog, dude. Technical difficulties. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment.
What's going on?
We're getting a private walkthrough of EXP World, which is their virtual campus, and technology is failing me right now. Even in Silicon Valley, technology can fail you. We're just wrapping up the day here. I'm here with one of SSV's longest standing team member.
But one of the youngest ones.
But one of the youngest ones, man. How old were you when you joined SSV?
I was like 19.
So tell the vlog why SSV is the best team to join in all of San Jose.
I mean,
all of Silicon Valley.
Honestly, that's not something that can be covered in 30 seconds. But honestly, the support and the mentorship that you get at Silicon Valley is just, you can't find another team like this in the Silicon Valley. I can promise you that. You're not gonna get the same education anywhere else except here at SSV. Once you go through SSVU, you're just pumping agents out like through SSVU now. Like, you don't even train them anymore. I'm just kidding.
When Hans joined, he was just a 19-year-old kid driving a Camry. Now this is his, look at that.
3 years later.
Hey, the success speaks for itself, man. I think Hans hit it on the head, right? Like when you join our team, you're joining an infrastructure that provides you with the systems and the support and the mentorship, and not only that, but the lead flow, the business flow to support your growth and help you get to where you want to be faster. You know, I think a lot of agents, when they get into business, they think, oh, you know, I wanna be on my own, and that is true for a lot of people. Like, you should be on your own. Trust me, no one wants you on their team, but there are a lot of people that would benefit from joining us.
And Danny is definitely the best team leader here in Silicon Valley. Like, I've met a lot of team leaders. I still think Danny's the best because he truly has the best interest for you in helping you succeed and helping you grow into, you know, wherever you want to be. So I think that's what really sets SSV apart from all the other teams is, you know, they might just have you on as an agent, but Danny's going to help you become a rock star.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Paid advertising.
Give me that back, bro.
Bro, contract.
No, but honestly, honest to God, doesn't it feel like we're just getting started? It's only been a few years, but it's been a few long years, but it feels like we're just getting started.
It always feels like we're just getting started.
I know. Well, that's the advantage to getting into real estate when you're young, when you got, you know, decades of energy inside of you. You know, imagine where you're gonna be when you're my age, dude. Jesus.
You're talking like a 50-year-old, but you're only 30.
29. Shut up. It's Danny Gould, everyone.
And this is Hans Huang.
We're selling Silicon Valley. Catch all of you in the next vlog.